How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to withdraw your money from Phantom Wallet, the first thing I would suggest is to actually turn your coins into Solana. So if you've already got Solana, which you're trying to withdraw, that's fine. You can skip forward in the video. If you've got a different sort of coin, I'd recommend that you first swap it to Solana. So you want to go to some sort of exchange like Jupiter, and you can simply go to this connect wallet button in the top right corner, and you can connect your Phantom wallet. Once you've got connected, you can then choose the coin which we're trying to swap the Solana. So let's just say we were trying to sell this. We could go ahead and put this in and click swap, which will be show here, and we can then confirm the transaction in our wallet. So from there our transaction has gone through and you will get your Solana. So what you want to do from here is head over to some sort of exchange or a different wallet. So for this video, I'll just be showing you how to withdraw your Solana into Binance. However, the process is pretty much the same no matter where you're trying to withdraw it to. The main thing you will need is a wallet address. So if you're doing it on Binance as well, you just want to go ahead and click deposit, and then you can deposit crypto. From there, we want to choose a coin, and since we sold into Solana earlier, we're just going to choose. And then you just have to select the network, and then it will show you the deposit address. As my account is not verified, that's why it is not showing here. But in your case, it will give you deposit address. You just have to copy the deposit address and go to your Phantom wallet. Here, click on send, and then we can click on Solana. From here, we can paste in the address that we got from Binance or whatever other wallet you chose. And from there, we can go ahead and choose how much the line we want to send. And we can then click next to finalize that transaction. Once you've done that, you will have successfully withdrawn your money from Phantom Wallet. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.